Welcome to Code Fun. I'm Rosie. It's great to see you. Come on, me waiata tātou. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, kei te pehea koe. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun too. Digi, come on out and say hello. Huh? I don't know where Digi is. Tell me if you see Digi, okay? Digi! Digi! Did you hear that? There it is again! Oh, I think our robot friend is hiding from us. Call out if you see Digi, okay? Great. Digi! Oh, what's that? You see Digi? Where? Shh. Aha! Oh. Digi! There you are!
Kia ora!
Kia ora! Well, now that we're all here, let's get this party started. Wake tātou!
Kia ora! It's me, Digi the robot. It's great to see you. Huh? Oh! Kia ora!
Kia ora, Digi. I need help.
I can try to help, Tomide, but I'm a robot. I need to be told what to do so then I can help. Will you help me? Ka pai. Let's do it.
I want to clean my teeth all by myself today. I've got everything I need, but I just don't know where to start.
Oh dear. It looks like Tomide really needs our help. We need to give him some instructions, a set of steps to follow so he can clean his teeth. Titero, there's a toothbrush, teeth with a symbol that says 2 minutes, a sink for spitting into, and a tube of toothpaste. You need to put them in the right order so Tomide can clean his teeth. So what would happen if he took the toothbrush, brushed his teeth for 2 minutes, spat into the sink, and then squeezed the toothpaste? Let's see. Yikes! What a mess! Something is wrong with the instructions. They need to be debugged. When you try to do something and it all goes wrong, listen and remember the words in this song. You gotta stop, think, debug it. Try to do what you're doing in a different way. You'll be smiling at the end of the day. You gotta stop, think, debug it. Whoa! Away! We've got a toothbrush, teeth, a sink for spitting into, and a tube of toothpaste. Right. Let's put the picture of the toothpaste first. There. But the toothpaste doesn't go straight onto your teeth. What does it go onto? Okay, let's put the toothbrush after the toothpaste. So if we told Tomide to follow these instructions, he would. Take the toothpaste, put it onto the toothbrush, brush his teeth for 2 minutes, and then spit out the toothpaste into the sink. Ka pai! Okay, here we go, Tomide. First, get your toothpaste, then get your toothbrush. Next, put the toothpaste onto the toothbrush. Just a little bit, the size of a pea. Now brush your teeth for 2 minutes. See? Tomide is brushing his teeth back and forth. And he's brushing the insides, outsides, tops, and bottoms of all of his teeth. Even the ones way at the back. Good job, Tomide. All done. Now spit the toothpaste into the sink. Ka pai e hoa.
I did it. I brushed my teeth all by myself. Thanks, Digi. Bye.
We did it. Maumahara, if you try to do something and it all goes wrong, stop, think, and debug it. Hey, wait a minute. Come back here. I need to brush my teeth. Moo.
Right. Oh, hi! I was just moving my tinana and doing my fitness for the day. I love doing aerobics. It gives me lots of energy. Hey, I know a really cool aerobics game we could play together. For this game, I'll be the programmer and give the instructions, and you can be the robot and follow what I say. Come on, find some clear space to play the game. Oh, now first I need some coloured circles. Cool. Okay, here are the instructions. Join in with me. If you see he porofita whero, a red circle, then you need to step side to side, like this. Step, together. Step, together. And use your arms. Out, in, out, in. Now, if you see he porofita karaka, an orange circle, then you need to do star jumps. Out and in, out and in. Have you got it? Great! Oh, there's the music. We're ready to play. Keep watching to see which coloured circles pop up. Here we go. Oh, red. Step side to side. Are you joining in? Great! Oh, star jumps, orange. Hey, star jump up to me. And back. Oh, red, side step. Oh, orange, star jumps. Oh, red. Oh, orange. Oh, red. Orange, red. Oh. That got really fast. Did you keep up? I nā te ngaho. That was fun. You followed the instructions and played the game. I think you're an awesome robot. What do you think, Digi? Oh, Digi thinks you're an awesome robot too. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, I've got so much energy. Oh, I'm just going to go for a run real quick. See ya! We've had a great time today, but now it's time to say ka kite. Hey, Digi.
Hey, I've come to join in.
Great. Me waiata tātou. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. On this beautiful day, ka kite. Ka hoki mai anō, or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite no e hoa. See you next time.